This is a 1 scoop order for Delilah from her mommy. She likes Hello Kitty and her favorite color is purple. One canvas bag. Plus one more. Two notebooks. Plus two more. One pen. Plus two more. One highlighter. One eraser. Plus two more. One mini notebook. Plus two more. Three stickers. Plus three more. One scenery sticker. Plus two more. One plush charm. Plus two more. One plush pencil bag. One pencil case. One scrunchie. Plus one more. One claw clip. Plus two more. One headband. One hand towel. One eye mask. One card holder. Let's add a correction tape. One Uno cards. One pin badge. Plus one more. One mini charm. Plus three more. Okay, Delilah, that's everything for your order from your mommy. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.